joining and watching. Today I'm going to walk you through one of our skin regimens, and this is one I don't talk a whole lot about, but I know there's women out there that really need this product. So part of being a consultant is to keep you educated about our amazing products and how they can benefit you. So I figured I'd do a video to share that with you. Oh my gosh. So after I wash my face, I don't know if you could tell, but my face looks tighter, brighter, and it feels even more firmer. It feels amazing. Wow. If you don't have a Mary Kay independent beauty consultant, I would love to be yours.